After the CBSE, the ICSE, the Indian Certificate of Secondary Education, also has now submitted an assessment detail. In the Supreme Court, the ICSE has submitted Class 10th marks will include project and practical work. Class 11th and 12th performance in projects and practicals will also be used, and this result by the ICSE is going to be declared for the students by 30th July. So both the CBSE and the ICSE have now put forth and submitted their assessment criteria details to the Supreme Court, and the results are going to be out by 30th July. So this is big. Again, just taking you through what precisely has been mentioned by the ICSE. Class 10th marks, project and practicals. Class 11th and 12th will be performance through the year and including projects and practicals of their respective streams. Amandeep Shukla has been tracking all the latest from the national capital, Delhi. Amandeep, so the ICSE is on a similar track like that of the CBSE, but any clarity further on what the ICSE has said and what exactly are the specifications for our viewers? Please take us through.
Till now, what we can make out is that there is a slight variation between the criteria chosen by the CBSE and the ICSE. While the CBSE has chosen to mark students based on their past performance in exams,
yes,
ICSE has kind of focused more on project work and the practical exams. So gradually the contours will become clearer gradually as
yes.
and once. But right now what we can make out is that the CBSE has given a 30-30 formula, 40 formula, but the ICSE has also adopted a similar formula, but it is based more on project work, work done throughout the year and the internal assessments.
That's important. While CBSE has focused more on the theory marks, the ICSE is including more practicals and projects, of course, for 11th and 12th as well. So I hope that brings more clarity to the students. But this is big news. Assessment criteria is out. Results by 31st July. Amandeep, thank you so much for tracking all the latest. It's a wrap on this bulletin.